Hello. In this video, we are going to discuss the reasoning section of NCHMCT 2015 paper. And let's start with first question. So first question was based on arrangement. Okay, so there are 8 friends A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. They are seated in circle facing the center. D is between B and G. Now see, D is between B and G. So it could be like DBG or GDB. दोनों ही cases में D बीच में आ रहे हैं, right? And F is between A and H. Same goes for this arrangement as well. F is between A and H. तो वो इस तरह से हो सकता है या फिर वो इस तरह की से भी possible है. Fine. E is second to right of A. Now second to right of A यहाँ पर H है. जबकि इन्होंने क्वेश्चन में बोला है कि E is second to right of A. So we can now conclude that this arrangement is wrong. ये गलत होगा. E is second to right of A इस तरह से ही possible हो पाएगा. Right. Now let us try to make the figure, the arrangement for this. There are 8 persons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So in circular arrangement, we can start from any point. Right. So let's start from this point itself. So this is H, F, A, one vacant place, then it is E. Now we have confusion for the positions of B and G. So either of B and G will come here and the other one will come here. But the position of D is fixed. Fine. And it is the position of C. Fine. Now let us move to the questions. Which of the following is A's position? Now if we check for the position of A, left of A, no. Right of F, yes, it is right of F. Fine. Now which of the following information are not required to ascertain the position of C? We are talking about the position of C, right? Only first. So first information is that there are 8 friends. So this is basically required to answer this question. जब तक हमें ये पता ही नहीं होगा कि friends कितने हैं, so we cannot answer this question, right? So first is no doubt required. Now let's move to the second. Second information is either second or third. Now either second or third. Now see, second information is D is between B and G. And third information is E is second to right of A. These two informations were actually required. Fine. Otherwise C जो है, यदि हमें ये नहीं पता होता कि E is second to right of A, तो दूसरा भी केस पॉसिबल हो सकता था. Fine. तो ये भी required है. तो basically इसका आंसर होना चाहिए all the information is required. Now which of the following is C's position? Now C की position is between E and F? No. Between G and E? No. Second to left of B? This we cannot say. Now see, between E and F को हमने गलत क्यों कहा? E and F के जब between की बात कर रहे हैं, तो anyways कोई सा भी आप H को भी देखेंगे तो वो भी E और F के बीच में आ ही रहा है. If we check like this, तो वो भी E और F के बीच में आ ही रहे हैं, right? और यदि C की बात करेंगे तो वो भी E और F के बीच में आ ही रहे हैं. So in circular arrangement, when we are talking about in between position, that means immediately in between. तो यदि ये इस तरह से होता FCE, उस केस में हम कह सकते थे कि C is between F and D. But क्योंकि उनके बीच में कोई और भी है, so we cannot say that C is between E and F, right? So because of this, the answer should be none of these. Moving to next. Based on number series 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, next number is R. This is very simple question. The logic is of multiply by 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, which multiplied by 2 will give us 8. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16, 16 multiplied by 2 is 32, and 32 multiplied by 2 will be 64. So the correct answer is option A, that is 64. Next question again based on number series. So 1 by 24 when multiplied by 2 will give us 1 by 12. 1 by 12 when multiplied by 3 will give us 1 by 4. 1 by 4 when multiplied by 4 will give us 1, which in turn when multiplied by 5 will give us 5. अब देख रहे हैं बच्चों क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पर? Multiply by 2, multiply by 3, multiply by 4, multiply by 5. So next should be multiply by 6. So 5 into 6 is nothing but 30. Option A is the correct one. Next again on number series. So 4, 7, 5, 9, then blank, then 11, then 7, then 13. So बच्चों जब भी आपको alternate series दिखे, alternate as in increment हो रहा है, फिर decrement हो रहा है, फिर increment हो रहा है, तो जब भी आपको ऐसा दिखे तो ये just need to check for the alternate terms. यदि हम alternate terms check करते हैं 4, 5, then blank, then 7, 7, 9, 11 and 13. So 4, 5, blank and 7. This is so simple now. It must be 6 over here. And let us check for the second also. Second series also is 7, 9, 11 and 13. So here it is a difference of 1. Here it is difference of 2. बहुत easy question हो गया. So the first answer, first option is the correct one. Okay. Now this question I find it a bit illogical. You can say, see the position of k. We need to find this question mark. Which number, which letter should come in this question mark, right? At the place of this question mark. So basically, when we check for the position of k in alphabet series, so k comes at position number 11. Now b comes at position number 2. G comes at position number 7. तो यहाँ पर क्या आना चाहिए था वो हमसे पूछा गया, राइट? सो सी यहाँ पर जो लॉजिक हो सकता है विच इज नॉट सो गुड है ना, दैट इज 11 + 2 = 13, तो 7 + 6 = 13, राइट? ये एक लॉजिक हो सकता है. तो 13 पे क्या आना चाहिए यहाँ पर, 6 पे कौन सा लेटर आता है, इट इज F. So the F option D should be the answer. Although this is not so good logic, but still इस पर्टिकुलर केस में क्योंकि we don't have much numbers, so इसी तरह से लॉजिक लगा के हमको आंसर फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. Next question. Now position of B is 2 and here it is 3. 15 and position of N is 14. Fine. N 14th पे आता है, तो यहाँ पर क्या हुआ है बच्चों, यहाँ पर +1 हुआ है, यहाँ पर -1 हुआ है, तो यहाँ पर भी +1 होना चाहिए. So it should be 20 and T comes at position number 20. So the correct answer to this question is option A, that is T. Sonam is walking. A question based on direction sense now. Sonam is walking facing west. Okay, so she is walking facing west. This is the starting point. I am marking it A. She turns 900 degree in clockwise direction. Now इधर से उन्होंने 900 डिग्री का टर्न लिया in clockwise direction. Now let me draw the axis first. So see, this is 360 degree turn. वापस वहीं पर आ गए. 720 degree turn पर भी हम वापस वहीं पर आ गए. Now out of 900 हमने 720 degree का टर्न ले लिया है and we are at the starting position only. So the remaining turn now is of 180 degree. अब यहाँ से 180 डिग्री का टर्न यहाँ पर ले आएगा हमें. So this was B position and finally we are at position number C. Fine. And then again 900 degree in clockwise direction. So एक बार और 900 डिग्री का टर्न लिया in clockwise. So again देखिए जब 360 डिग्री का टर्न ले लेंगे तो वापस C पे, 720 डिग्री के टर्न पे भी वापस C पे. अब बचेगा कितना, 180 डिग्री का. C से 180 डिग्री जब हम टर्न लेंगे clockwise direction पे तो we will reach at this position again, B. So in which direction is she finally moving? Obviously in north, in west. यहाँ पर ही वो मूव कर रहे हैं. फाइन. फर्दर इसको एक और तरीके से किया जा सकता था. उन्होंने दो टर्न्स लिए हैं 900 डिग्री के इन क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन, सो दैट मेक्स इट अ टोटल ऑफ 1800 डिग्री. और 1800 डिग्री इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 360 डिग्री. तो बेसिकली उन्होंने 360 डिग्री के कितने टर्न्स लिए, 5 टर्न. तो 360 डिग्री के कितने भी टर्न्स लीजिए आप हमेशा इनिशियल पोजीशन पर ही वापस आते हैं, राइट? तो वेस्ट पर ही वापस आएंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 40. What are the directions of the route from A to D? See, यहाँ से जब हमने स्टार्ट किया तो सबसे पहले this is north, this is east. तो सबसे पहले हम कहाँ गए हैं, नॉर्थ ईस्ट. So the answer should start with north east and only one option is there which is starting with north east. Answer. Fine. और यदि आप B से भी चेक करना चाहते हैं तो जहां से बच्चों चेक करना चाहते हैं वहीं पे एक्सिस बनाइए. This is north, this is east, this is south and this is west. तो उसके बाद कहाँ गए हैं, साउथ ईस्ट में. NE should follow by SE. अब C से कहाँ गए हैं, अगेन नॉर्थ ईस्ट में. So NE SE NE should be our answer. Option C. Question number 41 again based on direction sense. Kamal drives his bike and goes to college. He comes back following the same route. He again drives from his house towards north and reaches the market. What is the direction of his house with respect to market? Now see, he started from his house towards north and reaches the market. He again drives from his house towards north. Now see, this information was of no use. Kamal drives his bike and goes to college. He comes back following the same route. He again drives from his house towards north. तो वो basically अपने house से north की तरफ निकले हैं. And he reaches market. What is the direction of his house with respect to market? यदि हम market से देखें तो उनके house का direction कौन सा होगा? It would be south. Fine. So easy question था ये भी बच्चों. Moving to question number 43. A family consists of a husband. A husband is there. एक wife है उनकी. They have 3 sons. So 1, 2, and they have 3 sons. So these are the 3 sons. And let me name them also. A and B is the couple. They have 3 sons, C, D, and E. 3 wives of 3 sons. इन सबकी wives हैं. तो एक यहाँ पर second and ये third wife हो गई. And they have 2 daughters as well. So 1 daughter and 2 daughters. So I am representing females by circle and males by this block. So how many females are there in the family? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 females are there. The correct answer is option B, that is 6. बहुत straightforward question था. Question number 44. L is father of N. L is father of N. And P. और ये P के भी father हैं. P is son of L. P is son of L. But N is not the son of L. अब यदि ये इसके son नहीं है तो obviously इनकी daughter होंगी N. How is N related to L? N related to L. N is daughter of L. Again, a very easy question. So till now we have the questions that we have seen. वो इतने अच्छे level के नहीं थे. They were easy, quite easy. In fact, you can say. So all these questions I have covered in this part, first part. The remaining question I will be covering in the next part of the video. Thank you.